In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center Fusion 360. Centering a design to the origin is a simple move that makes your file cleaner, your measurements easier, and your assemblies more predictable. It's especially helpful before exporting, mirroring, or setting up joints, because everything references a known consistent 0 point. We're going to use a single reliable tool for this, the Align command. You'll find it under the Modify menu. Once you open Align, Fusion 360 is going to ask for two things: what on your model you want to align and where you want it to go. In this case, that means selecting the center of your object and then targeting the origin. Go ahead and open Modify, choose Align, and look for a clear, unambiguous point that represents the center of your object. The best choices are exact geometric centers, like the center of a circular face, the midpoint of an edge, or a vertex that you know is central in your design. As you hover, Fusion will highlight snap points, so take a moment to confirm you're grabbing the correct one. If your model has symmetry, the midpoint between two opposite edges often works well. If it's cylindrical, the center of the circular end face is ideal. The more precise your pick here, the cleaner your final alignment will be. With that center selected, your next target is the origin. The origin is the three-axis triad at the heart of your design space, and it represents x equals 0, y equals 0, and z equals 0. If you can't immediately see it, check the origins are visible in your browser so you can click it directly in the canvas or select it from the tree. Click the origin and Fusion will preview the movement, snapping your object so that the chosen center lands exactly at the global 0 point. Take a quick look from the top, front, and right views to make sure everything is where you expect. Because Align is smart, it doesn't just move the object arbitrarily, it ties that choice to a clear reference so you can come back later and edit it in the timeline if your design changes. A couple of tips as you work. Make sure you're selecting the correct body or component before you start, especially in larger projects. If your model is busy, temporarily hide other parts to make the center selection easier. And remember, aligning to the origin now can save time on sketches, patterns, and cam setups later. That's it. Modify, align, select your object center, and click the origin. Simple, precise, and incredibly useful.